Sort a list of tuples by second item, integer value. I have a list of tuples that look something like this. I want to sort this list in ascending order by the integer value inside the tuples. Is it possible?
IMO using item getter is more readable in this case than the solution by @chiken. It is also faster since almost all of the computation will be done on the C side, no pun intended, rather than through the use of lambda.
Try using the key keyword argument of sorted, which sorts in increasing order by default. Key should be a function that identifies how to retrieve the comparable element from your data structure. In your case, it is the second element of the tuple, so we access 1. For optimization, see Gemalax's response using operator.itemGetter 1, which is essentially a faster version of lambda x column x 1.
As a Python neophyte, I just wanted to mention that if the data did actually look like this, then sorted would automatically sort by the second element in the tuple, as the first elements are all identical.
Adding to Chiken's answer, this is how you sort a list of tuples by the second item in descending order.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.